Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hit the subscribe button, do all the things, make sure you click on the little bell and join me for number 2 in our kitchen series videos. Let's get hello my friends. Hi guys, hi everybody. Okay. Number two. So this is a series that I'm doing on my channel, all about kitchens. I already uploaded one video. I discussed all things kitchen, and my kitchen is in the process of being redone. I'm trying to do minimal things to make it feel my own. So that's what I'm doing right now in my kitchen. Okay, today we're talking all about lighting, and I already mentioned how important lighting is, but I can't stress this enough. So here are a few things about lighting that you need, in a kitchen. Number 1, you need task lighting. What do I mean by task lighting? I mean this. Task lighting is an absolute must. It makes such a huge difference. This one is hardwired, as you can see, because the kitchen is quite old, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with it off. Does make a huge difference, and if you have a big span of cabinets, it's amazing. You'll love task lighting. So under cabinet lighting, super important, right? Super important, super easy to do. Y'all, I'm going to tell you a couple of things about under cabinet lighting that you can do now that we could not do in the past. In the past, you had to hire an electrician, make holes in your walls, do all these things to get under cabinet lighting. I mean, the light bulbs were crazy expensive, fluorescent lighting. You'd have to replace them. You'd have to measure out. It was like a whole ordeal. Now, peel and stick under cabinet lighting. It's amazing. I have a bunch linked in my Amazon storefront. I'm going to have it linked under easy DIY remodels. Okay, that's what I'm going to have it linked under. So if you're looking for the lighting, I'm going to have it under there. You peel it, you stick it on, you can recharge it with a USB. It's amazing. Where else can you get this lighting, Bella? Y'all, your local Walmart. I mean, I know, I talk about Walmart all the time, but I happen to love Walmart. I think it's amazing. Walmart sells this also. So you don't have to order and bring it in and whatever. Just go over to your local Walmart. You're picking up coffee, grab yourself some under cabinet lighting. Task lighting, amazing. Above the counter lighting, above the cabinet lighting, for mood lighting, wow, that makes a big impact. I'm going to try and find a picture and include it here. If I can find a picture, I'll put it right here so you can see what I'm talking about. Amazing. And then all around lighting. I talked about this in the last video. If you can afford this, if this is something that you can afford, please get an electrician and get as many can lights or pot lights, whatever you call them. Put them in your kitchen. Put pot lights galore. As many as you can afford, put them in your kitchen. It's going to make a huge difference. You want your kitchen, no matter what color you choose in your kitchen, because we've talked about color in the past video, no matter what color you choose in your kitchen, you want it bright. You want a lot of lighting. So speaking of lighting, a wonderful, amazing company reached out to me and asked me if I would like some lighting. I couldn't pass that up since I'm doing this video. So let's unbox what I got. I'll show you where I put it. And yes, you do need an electrician for this. So I'm going to roll the clips and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see here, I am going to do an unboxing for you. Now, the company did reach out to me and ask me what I wanted, and they allowed me to pick something. Originally, I'm going to tell y'all, I did pick this light for either the living room or my bedroom. But then as the kitchen went on, I thought this might be really good in the kitchen because I really like the color of the fixture. Comes with this lovely pamphlet. You can see here it is really well packaged. And I've done the video, but y'all, this is so beautiful. And I have to say that this is extraordinary quality. Extraordinary. I highly, highly, highly recommend this company. Go check them out. I left all the links and everything down in the description box. Parrot Uncle. I mean, look at these beautiful crystals. You're going to see them more in depth when I take out the rest of the cardboard. And it is a chandelier. I mean, we don't no longer have to look at those ugly fan blades. Y'all, I'm not a fan of fans, but if you're living in a warm climate, this is amazing. It also comes with a remote control and has 3 settings. And I'm showing you all the stuff here. It's got an extender. It's got all the stuff, the remote control. The batteries came with it. The only thing that did not come with it is the light bulbs. That's the only thing. But, oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the reason why it took me a little longer. Because what we've done, well, I got Oz to do it. He had to move the electrical over because I wanted the chandelier placed over the new island. But I am just loving it. So I'm showing you all the like intricate detail that had to go in it. But look at that with the lights on. Is that not gorgeous? I'm so in love. And like I said, light is a huge thing. And the fan works so good, y'all. It works so, so good. I'm telling you, I highly recommend this company. Please go check them out. And I want to thank them so much for such a good quality product that works amazing and is also aesthetically pleasing. This is a beautiful, beautiful chandelier. And they have so many on their website. So go check them out. Down in the description box, Parrot Uncle. You will love them. I'm telling you, you'll love them. Isn't my light so awesome? It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I really want to give them a big thank you. I think the lighting is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I should have picked something else for the kitchen. I really should have. But I have to say that the light is so beautiful. And the bronze color, you're going to see why, what I'm doing to tie in the bronze. You're going to be amazed. And you're going to have to come back to the next video and see that. Because we'll get onto that in the next couple of videos. But I have to say this company, that fan is so quiet. You never hear it. I highly recommend them. Please go check them out. I have everything linked down in the description box. They are a wonderful company. Their service is amazing. It came so quickly. I'm looking up at it. I mesmerize it. I mean, every girl likes a little bling, right? So when I first, they reached out to me and said, what would you like? I thought I'd use this in a bedroom. I will be taking it with me when I leave this place because I'm going to put it probably in a bedroom or a living room or something because I just think it's fantastic. It is by far really, really great. And Oz put it up for me. He is licensed to do stuff like that. He said that it was so super, super easy to put it up. So that's why we waited a little bit because you saw all the little holes and stuff that we had to do in the ceiling to move the one light fixture from the other. Anyway, so lighting is super, super, super important. Make sure that you get as good lighting as possible in your kitchens. I cannot wait for the next video. I think it's gonna be our island video. So come back and see me soon and I can show you that because I'm so excited about that. And I'm gonna talk about layout a lot, about layout and organization and stuff like that. And yeah, and we'll be doing a whole bunch of that stuff. So come back and see me for that. Have a wonderful day. I am so glad that you're here with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. Y'all are just the best. And I hope you are enjoying the series because I am so enjoying trying to make over this kitchen and showing you little things. So make sure you remember, when it comes to lighting in your kitchen, the few things that I mentioned: task lighting, under cabinet lighting, overhead lighting, and enjoy. And happy decorating, y'all. I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys. Mwah.